midst of the densely populated residential area of Shinagawa City, Japan, stands a small yet captivating home known as the ESPACE House. Designed by Apollo Architects and Associates, this house has a total floor area of just around 98 square meters, built on a 77 square meter plot. Although it may seem small on paper, the house offers a sense of spaciousness and openness thanks to a carefully considered and thoughtful design approach. The homeowners, a minimalist couple, wanted a home that felt open and airy without the need for large rooms. The main challenge was how to create a private space on a narrow lot situated along a small street and surrounded by tightly packed buildings. One of the clever solutions applied was designing the house's street-facing facade without any windows, ensuring complete privacy from the outside world. Instead, natural light is maximized from within through the use of a courtyard and clerestory windows, high windows placed near the roofline. The house features a rigid wooden frame in the shape of a gate, which allows the entire north side to be opened up to 3 large windows and a row of clerestory windows above, without needing load-bearing walls. The interior is also designed with great efficiency. Built-in wall storage follows the shape of the main structural columns, optimizing space functionality without requiring much additional furniture. This aligns perfectly with the minimalist lifestyle embraced by the homeowners. However, the most striking feature of the ESPACE House is its dramatic yet gentle natural lighting. The entire second floor serves as the main living area, taking full advantage of the 3 large north-facing windows to bring in soft, diffused light. From the south, direct sunlight enters through the sloped roof and reflects off the white walls, illuminating the area around the windows with a calm and serene quality of light. Interestingly, a graded floor allows this light to filter down to the lower level, where the bedrooms and bathroom are located. Meanwhile, the clerestory windows along the northern side help create a beautiful gradient of light across the gabled ceiling, while also ensuring that the kitchen at the rear of the house remains bright and comfortable to use. Overall, ESPACE House is a perfect example of how smart design and the strategic use of natural light can create a sense of spaciousness and tranquility in a compact space. This house is more than just a residence. It's a reflection of its occupants' calm and mindful lifestyle, making it a truly inspiring reference for anyone looking to build a small home with maximum spatial quality.